Executive MBA offered at our institute, NMIMS Bangalore, is a very dynamic program which helps working professionals become more effective leaders, develop more dynamic teams, and generate innovative ideas for their company. This course actually equips the participants to become more skilled and versatile, irrespective of the industry type or job positions they come from. And this is because our approach is to have holistic development of our students through widely applicable practices of leadership, creative thinking, business analytics, communication techniques, and so on, which are taught throughout the program. The overall in classroom learning experience brought in by our experienced faculty members not only encourages interdisciplinary learning and collaboration but also give them an opportunity to build strong connections and network with professionals across industries. If we look at today's volatile and competitive environment, organizations face an increasing need for skilled mid level and senior executives who have the vision and potential to attain top leadership positions. Our executive program actually prepares such forward thinking creative business leaders by inculcating critically important leadership competencies such as strategic thinking and business acumen. Our program also enables students to apply what they learn in class immediately back at work. We encourage students to relate all the concepts being discussed in class and try to apply it in their work. In fact, some of my students have actually created and implemented different marketing plans for their respective companies as live project. And during this course, they leverage on the knowledge and guidance from our experienced faculty members. Various program modules are created in such a fashion that it suits the busy schedule of our working professionals. So, professionals who want to polish their skills, gain additional domain knowledge, are most welcome to join our Executive MBA program. It is often said that doing an Executive MBA is the best strategic investment decision that you will ever make. So, why don't you do one and find out for yourself? Just redefine old norms with new age learning, attain a fresh perspective, take on the next step, and embark on a whole new career path.